Hey guys, it's me again, and today, I'm gonna show you how to unstick Teddy Ruxpin's, servos in the eyes, nose, and mouth. So, I got this at Marketplace for $40. He looks like brand new, and he was never tested, and once I tested him, watch.
Yep, we sure do.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
Hold on.
Prince Aaron had no idea who had taken his sister, so we decided to head north and look for clues.
So luckily I know how to do this. But don't let any kids do this on their own, because they might hurt themselves. So here's what you need. You either need scissors or a knife. Don't worry. This is like not taking off his whole back. Like, you don't have to. You could just take his whole fur off of the head, and if you want to take the springs off, you could just use a small screwdriver. Or yeah. So it'll be a piece of cake, and please do not try this at home. If you're all done, you should have a parent do the soldering for you, so you can solder them back up when you're done. Okay. So here we go. I must cut the back of the head.
Three weeks later. Many months later.
Yes! Got his eyes moving.
Did you say princess?
Yes, Princess Aruzia, the sister of Prince Aaron here.
Really?
Next, the nose.
He could probably tell you where the princess
Wait
is.
for it.
Really? Then I think we should meet this wizard. Well, we discovered that the big...
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3.
As the airplane passed near the launching platform, the wound Ruxpin...
Yep, all the servos are unstuck now. So, I hope you enjoy the video, and so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
He was lying on his back by the crashed airplane. Come dream with me tonight. Hello there. My name is Teddy Ruxpin. How are you today? I would like to tell you the story of the missing princess. It all started when Grubby, Gimmick, and I were flying the airship in search of the treasure. We ran out of the wood that